I made this beat inspired by the type of music that Blxckie and LucasRaps used to make back in the days. I started off with this sample. After I was done with that first part of the sample, I decided to chop it again for the hook part of the beat. I then went to layer 3 snares for the bounce. Then I went ahead to layer an open hats and hi-hats. I went to layer 3 different kinds of 808 and a kick as well. Here is the final beat. The second beat, I started by laying out the melody in FL keys. Then after that, I used an VST effect from Cymatics called Lotus on the melody. After that, I layered a variety of snares to create a bounce. Then I went ahead and layered open hats and hi-hats. Since this is a Blxckie type of beat, the 808 and the kick needs to hit hard. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also share with your fellow producers. Here's the final beat.